My mom can see the mobile.
Jaden, do something. No feels.
Feels.
Oh. Dudums.
That might have been me.
Did you just fart?
No, but I did over there, and it might have followed me. I'm
Is
really
this on the
excited about
back of the camera?
video. What's that face, dude? Let me make sure.
What? Oh.
No, he just smells like a little bit of pee.
Yoga baby. What? Good morning, Dudums.
Quit telling him.
He pooped on camera.
Quit telling him good morning. He's gonna grow up all confused.
We tell him good morning when he opens his eyes.
I know. He's gonna think it's always morning.
He doesn't know. He can't understand me yet.
Dude, did you just poop?
Jaden, did you poop? Did you? Did you poop? Oh, that's good. Get that on camera.
I was hardly doing it. You like danced with his head on camera the other day. Oh, way to go.
He's okay.
He liked that. This thing makes him look like his big football shoulders.
He's gonna be a football player.
What?
Oh, yawns.
That was a good one, dude. Oh, thanks.
Little kicker. What?
Oh, wait. Your toes.
What faces are these? Oh, little boy.
Are you silent crying?
Baby dog came to help. Baby dog just sideways ran over you. What's wrong? Hi.
One eye. Hi, Wake Boy.
Oh.
I heard that. Are you pooping right now? The Wake Boy. Say bye to the
He's
camera.
like trying to get that blanket off him with all his blankets.
I know. I hate this blanket. Let me help you, dude.
That better?
Say bye, dude. What?